Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up Do Not Disturb period on EZVIZ RS2. To do it, go to the settings in top right corner, then go to Do Not Disturb period. Now you can set the daytime Do Not Disturb or night Do Not Disturb. Yeah, so if you set it up, you can change the start time and the end time, and you can also, for both of them, enable or disable continue for follow-up clean after Do Not Disturb period. What that means is Do Not Disturb will, while being in the Do Not Disturb, it will the device will stop working, will adjust light and disable the voice, excluding the voice for special situations. And if, for example, your device has discharged while cleaning, then it returns to charge itself, and before it resumes charging, the device goes into Do Not Disturb. Then it will not resume or resume after Do Not Disturb. And to change this setting, whether or not the device will resume after Do Not Disturb mode, is this and this switch. So if it's enabled, then the device, after it stops working at the Do Not Disturb period, it will follow up clean after that Do Not Disturb period. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.